Welcome guys to HVAC Startup Technicians, and I want to talk about the commercial field a little bit. I want to just do a quick video to talk to you about the commercial field. I will do a residential video in a little bit, and I think that gives me the right to talk about it since I had done residential and I'm now in the commercial field. So I don't want to talk to you if you decide to get into the commercial side of HVAC. The commercial side could be more lucrative. You could make a lot more money, but there is also more risk. One of the risks you will have to assume is heights, and I think this is the first thing I will talk to you about is the height. Some of the heights that you have to go through in order to get onto the roof. So in our field, most of the jobs you will do is the commercial. So I'm on a roof right now, and as you can see, this is let me just turn the camera. Let's see, this is looking down. 90% of the time you will have to put a ladder up there, and you will have to strap this ladder on here, and you got to be very, very, very careful. Another thing you have to deal with is this. We had snow for a couple of days, so the roof is going to be icy, the roof is going to be wet. As you can see, I'm walking, and then you will have to deal with a lot of rooftops. You will have to do with split systems, so you will have to come in, work on this, and the other part for this unit might be somewhere in the ceiling up in there, so you will have to, dust may come down on you, you're going to have to remove ceiling tiles, but you can get paid a lot better. Let me just walk around a little bit and show you. So I'm actually on top of a roof. You would be lucky if they have ladders. Some roofs, some commercial buildings have ladders, but not all are created equal. As you can see, I am working on this one here, and I'm doing some combustion tests. While I'm talking to you, I'm actually doing some work. So I have this unit actually running. So you will be working on a lot of units like these. You will be working on a lot of commercial units. You will be doing a lot of testing. You will be doing a lot of diagnosis, and stuff like that. So that's just one thing to keep in mind, that we'll be doing a lot of that. So as you can see here, we have multiple units. Multiple units for different businesses, and it's cold. And again, that's another thing. If you're doing the winter or the summer, I hope the breeze are not too high. I hope you guys can hear me. It will be either extremely hot or it will be extremely cold. You will have to deal with a lot of that. On this roof, we were lucky that there was one of the roof hatches. There's roof hatches here that you could there's ladders, sorry, not roof hatches, but there's ladders, a ladder rack that you have to climb up on. So you have different. So this week we have a tray in here. We have a York unit here. So there is really a variety of units that you have to work on. We'll do some water source heat pumps. We'll do boilers. So it's a lot, and the pay could be better. It is better in the residential. You could kind of command more because of your commercial background. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I have to deal with and the things I have to do. So I'm by myself, so what I had to do, I have a rope here, and what I will do is tie my bag and my tools and rest it on the ground, and then I would have to pull them up and come up on the roof. And this is, we're lucky that we have this here, which is a roof hatch, not roof hatch but ladder. So we're gonna go down this way and come up on the roof like this. So just wanted to do that quick video to show you, it's a lot of stuff you have to do, but it could be very lucrative. All right, guys. So just wanted to give you a quick video as to what you have to do in the commercial field versus the residential field, which in the next couple of weeks I will talk to you about the residential field. So I said, to recap, the commercial field is more risky. There's a lot more danger in it, and but you could learn a lot more, and you could make a lot more money. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. See you on our next video.